In this webinar, I will endeavour to present the evidence on which the Church's doctrine of the perpetual virginity of Mary is founded. Luke tells us that Mary intends to remain a virgin even after marrying Joseph. Consider the conversation between Mary and the angel Gabriel at the Annunciation.
In the 6th month, the angel Gabriel was sent by God to a town in Galilee called Nazareth, to a virgin engaged to a man whose name was Joseph, of the house of David. The virgin's name was Mary.
Gabriel says,
"And now you will conceive in your womb and bear a son, and you will name him Jesus."
Mary responds by asking,
"How can this be, since I am a virgin?"
Now, Mary is already betrothed to Joseph and is therefore legally married according to ancient Jewish tradition. Having sexual relations with another man was regarded as adultery. When the period of betrothal ended, the husband would bring his wife to his home and the marriage would be consummated. So at the time of the Annunciation, Mary is a legally married woman who has not consummated her marriage with Joseph. Note that Gabriel does not say that Mary has already conceived a child. He says that she will conceive. Gabriel is talking about some future event. Mary's question does not appear to make any sense because the norm is to conceive a child after the marriage is consummated. So why does Mary ask this question? First, we need to note that a more accurate translation of her question is,
"How can this be, since I do not know a man?"
In the Hebrew Bible, to know is commonly used as a synonym for sexual relations, as in Adam knew his wife Eve and she conceived and bore Cain in Genesis 4:1. Now consider this statement.
"I do not smoke."
It means I do not smoke now and I have no intention of smoking in the future. Mary's question has the same nuance. Mary is saying that she has not and does not have any intention of engaging in sexual intercourse with Joseph. In other words, she has made some kind of vow of perpetual virginity. Mary's question now makes sense because she intends to remain a virgin. Mary does not doubt what Gabriel is saying. She's simply asking how she is going to conceive since she is a virgin and intends to remain a virgin. Mary's decision is not strange or irrational. There is, in fact, evidence for vows of sexual abstinence being taken by Jewish women, including married women, in chapter 30 of the Book of Numbers. There is also evidence for Joseph's abstinence. Consider this passage in Matthew's Gospel.
When Joseph awoke from sleep, he did as the angel of the Lord commanded him. He took her as his wife, but had no marital relations with her until she had borne a son, and he named him Jesus.
At a glance, the statement seems to imply that Joseph had sexual relations with Mary after the birth of Jesus. But this is actually not the case. The Greek rendition of the word until describes a certain period of time. It says nothing about what happens afterward. This is perhaps best demonstrated by the ancient Greek translation of the Hebrew Bible, the LXX, of a verse which reads,
"And Michal, the daughter of Saul, had no child until the day of her death."
Clearly, the use of until in this context does not imply that Michal had children after she died. The Greek word for until is identical in both cases. Therefore, the reference to Joseph's abstinence does not imply anything about what happened after the birth of Jesus. Matthew is pointing out that Jesus is not Joseph's son, because Joseph and Mary did not have sexual intercourse to conceive him. Note also that Matthew states that Joseph and Mary did not consummate their marriage on their wedding night. Joseph simply took Mary as his wife. All the evidence points to the notion that Mary has taken a perpetual vow of sexual abstinence, and Joseph accepts this. But this is not the end of the story. Look out for part 2 to learn more.